Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, I have something very personal and very special that I'd like to unbox for you today. Now, this is a Smart Choice funeral supply frame for my father's flag, and hopefully it can fit the shells, the bullet shells that were used during the ceremony, and also these Marine Rose case, which he was a Marine, and this rose case does hold the shells, as you see here, that were used at the ceremony. And the rose is Marine Corps League and Auxiliary in memory of those who served, forever remembered. So that is the rose symbol. Let's go ahead and unbox and see what we got. Now, as you first open it, you will see it's quite large. It is packaged very, very well. Just move this foam off to the side. Now, for those of you who are interested, I am going to have the where to get this at the description below. So take a look at that. Now, the one that we chose, let's get this off. The one that we chose was personalized. United States Marine Corps, my father's name, United States Marines, birth and death. So, very nice case. Very well put together. I don't see any gaps, which is great. To put the flag in, on the back, you see number one, you see the metal hanger back here. You also see these little clips that kind of look like for pictures, like on the back of pictures, photos. So we just turn these. And these just kind of pop out very carefully. There we go. Now on the inside, back, you can see they do have the glass in there secured quite well. Let's see if we can get the rose in there. Get the flag in. It's a very, very tight fit. It does fit. Now you do have to be a little aggressive. There we go. Let me get this corner. There. very well done. Yeah, definitely not a whole lot of extra room there. Let's plop this on. Put all your pins back. And this is where the finagling is going to have to come in. And there we have it. Yep, we got the rose in there. And there's a little pin in here from the hospice that my father was on. So that made it in there. And looks very, very nice. Good job. Again, I'll put all the information I have in the description below. But thank you for coming along with me to unbox and put together the, I guess you can call it a memoriam flag holder. Again, we'll have all that information in the description below. And as always, have a great day. Nice.